In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explode a slice in an Excel pie chart. First, you need to make sure you are working with a pie chart in Excel. If you already have one on your worksheet, you are ready to begin. An exploded pie chart slice is a simple way to draw attention to a specific portion of the data. It slightly separates one slice from the rest of the pie, making it stand out immediately. Now, to start, click the pie chart itself. When you click directly on the chart, Excel should show that the chart is selected. This is important because the slice you want to explode is part of the chart. If the chart is not selected, Excel may not let you interact with individual slices as easily. Take a moment to make sure you see the chart highlighted, indicating that it is active. Next, click the particular slice you want to explode. When you move your cursor over the pie chart, you should notice that each slice is its own clickable area. Click on the slice that matches the information you want to emphasize. If you click the wrong slice, it is okay. You can simply click the correct one right after. The goal here is to make sure that Excel recognizes the exact slice you plan to move away from the pie. As soon as the slice is selected, you will be able to drag it. This selection step matters because the explosion effect only applies to the slice you have targeted. Now that you have the correct slice highlighted, you can proceed to the next action with confidence. Now drag the slice outward from the pie. Start clicking and holding the slice. Then move your mouse slightly away from the center of the pie chart. The slice should begin to separate from the rest. As you drag, you are not changing the data. You are simply repositioning that slice visually. This is why exploded pie charts are so helpful for presentations and quick reports. They guide the viewer's attention to the most important category. While you drag, pay attention to how far you move it. You generally do not want the slice pulled too far, because that can make the chart look cluttered or harder to interpret. A small separation is usually enough to clearly show emphasis. Move it outward until it looks nicely separated, but still visually part of the chart. After you have positioned the slice where you want it, release the mouse. This final step locks in the position and completes the explosion effect. Once you release, the slice should stay separated from the pie, and the rest of the chart should remain unchanged. If it looks right, you are finished with this particular slice. If you want to explode a different slice later, you can repeat the same process. Select the pie chart, click the new slice, drag it outward, and release when positioned correctly. But for now, confirm that your chosen slice is separated the way you intended. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.